Just picking up our van. Woohoo!
Setup day. We're excited to make it a bit more of a home, a little bit of an art studio on wheels. Being on the road is important to us right now because when you're a creative or you own your own business, it never shuts off. Never, when you're at home. So this is an opportunity for us to try to declutter some of that mental space and try to fill the creative well and be a bit more present.
Okay, so we're gonna make our bed, put our comfy bedding on. We've got all this great storage here for all of our clothes and our toiletries. So we're gonna get that filled and then we're gonna hit the road. Okay, so one of our favorite parts of the van is the kitchen. It really sets it apart in terms of camping and making everything really easy to grab and go. We've got all of our fruits and all that good stuff, and then up here we've got our essentials. We have been making a ton of smoothies because they're nice and easy, especially after a hike. And you've got all this great storage back here. We've got some of our favorite books, some games, some incense, some of our favorite morning ritual things. And then of course you've got your sink for all of your water needs and all of your washing needs. We've got all of our essential silverware, all of our tools for cooking. Here we've got a lot of great storage. We can fit all of our firewood, our backcountry camping essentials, our boots, our cooler for added ice. And then over here, there's even more storage. So we've got like all of our winter coats and all of our warm things.
These are each 7-gallon jugs. This is what we fill up at campsites or with the gallons of water we buy. This is our gray water, where everything dumps into that. So we've got to empty this in safe dumping areas. We get that not everyone can just take a month off and just kind of go off in a van, but we hope that this can inspire people to find ways, pieces of it, to do for themselves. I think, you know, it benefits everybody to be outside more, closer to nature.
And this proves that you can travel in ways that work for you.
Have you felt safe, like in the van, different places we've gone?
Yes. Even last night when we slept at a Walmart.
Camping for so long and then now living out of a van.
It's gonna be hard to go back.
I mean, you have everything with you at all times.
Yeah.
You know, wherever you're going, you've got your full fridge and, you know, your bed.
Yeah, the
and
bed.
your
is a
clothes,
big
change
one.
your clothes as you need to go.
But I think even just, you know, from a weekly hike in a state park near your house, to maybe going car camping for the weekend with your friend or your partner, I think those are things that can really make a large impact on our lives and shift our perspective and connect us back to the world around us, but also the inner parts of ourselves that we lose in the hustle and bustle of everyday life.
Cheers!